Welcome to the channel. Today, we're heading into the clouds, exploring futuristic skyscrapers that don't just touch the sky, but also clean it. These incredible structures are designed to absorb pollution, generate clean energy, and transform cities into living ecosystems. As urban populations grow and climate change worsens, architects are reimagining what buildings can do for our planet. Get ready to see how tomorrow's skyline will fight air pollution, improve sustainability, and redefine urban life. Stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the cities of the future. Number 6. The rise of green architecture. The 21st century has seen a dramatic shift in how cities are built. Architects and engineers are no longer just designing tall structures. They're creating living, breathing systems that contribute to the environment. The idea of green architecture goes beyond solar panels and rooftop gardens. It's about integrating nature into every level of a building. Modern skyscrapers are now being equipped with vertical forests, self-sustaining energy systems, and materials that can actively purify the air. As cities struggle with pollution and shrinking green spaces, these eco-towers offer a solution that blends technology, design, and ecology. The goal is simple yet revolutionary: to make skyscrapers that don't harm the planet but help heal it. This movement marks the beginning of a new architectural era, one where buildings become part of the Earth's natural balance rather than its destruction. Number 5. How skyscrapers can clean the air. One of the most exciting advancements in architecture is the development of buildings that literally breathe. Using innovative materials and biotechnology, future skyscrapers will clean the air just like trees do. Some of these buildings are designed with special facades coated in photocatalytic materials, such as titanium dioxide, which reacts with sunlight to break down pollutants in the air. Others use algae-filled glass panels that absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, creating living walls that function like vertical lungs. Advanced filtration systems built into the structure can also capture fine dust and carbon particles from the surrounding atmosphere. Imagine walking through a city where the very buildings around you are working silently to purify the air you breathe. These smart skins of the future will not only protect against pollution, but also improve urban air quality, potentially saving thousands of lives every year. The concept turns the cityscape into an active participant in environmental recovery. Number 4. Iconic examples of pollution-fighting buildings. Several pioneering projects around the world have already begun turning this vision into reality. One of the most famous is the Bosco Verticale in Milan. Two residential towers covered in over 900 trees and thousands of shrubs that absorb nearly 20,000 kilograms of CO2 annually. In Mexico City, the Torre Reforma uses a special facade that captures and neutralizes smog particles, improving the air quality in its vicinity. Meanwhile, in China, architects have developed the Liuzhu Forest City, a futuristic urban plan where every building is wrapped in greenery, capable of absorbing 10,000 tons of CO2 and 57 tons of pollutants each year. These early models prove that eco-friendly skyscrapers are not just a fantasy. They're a growing reality. As materials science and biotechnology continue to evolve, the buildings of tomorrow will not only rival nature's efficiency, but may even surpass it in purifying the environment. Number 3. Smart materials and advanced design. The success of these futuristic skyscrapers depends heavily on the materials they're built from. Traditional concrete and steel are being replaced by innovative composites designed to interact with the atmosphere. Self-cleaning concrete, developed using photocatalytic technology, helps reduce harmful nitrogen oxides, the main pollutants from vehicles and factories. Transparent solar panels can be integrated into building windows, turning entire facades into power generators. 3D printed building components allow for complex shapes that maximize airflow, natural light, and energy efficiency. Some architects are even experimenting with bioreactive materials, surfaces that change properties depending on environmental conditions. For example, living algae facades can adapt their color and growth rate to control sunlight exposure and temperature inside the building. These breakthroughs are making it possible to create structures that think, adapt, and evolve in harmony with their surroundings. Future skyscrapers won't just stand tall. They'll be intelligent ecosystems constantly working to keep the air clean and the planet healthy. Number 2. The future of urban ecosystems. As cities continue to expand, integrating nature into the urban environment is becoming essential. The skyscrapers of the future will act as vertical ecosystems, hosting not only humans but also plants, birds, and even insects. These biodiverse habitats will help restore ecological balance to dense urban areas. Imagine towers covered in trees that attract pollinators, rooftops that collect rainwater for irrigation, and walls that generate renewable energy through microbial reactions. Such buildings won't just exist as isolated structures. They'll form interconnected networks that share resources like energy, water, and clean air. AI-based environmental systems will manage these skyscrapers, monitoring air quality, temperature, and humidity to maintain a stable ecosystem. Cities like Singapore and Tokyo are already experimenting with such living architecture. By 2050, many of the world's megacities could resemble vertical forests where technology and biology coexist. These new habitats will blur the line between urban and natural life, transforming the concrete jungle into a living, breathing organism. Number 1. The vision of clean, self-sustaining cities. Looking ahead, the ultimate goal of pollution-fighting skyscrapers is to create cities that are not just sustainable, but regenerative. These future cities will produce more clean air and energy than they consume. Every building will serve a dual purpose, housing people while healing the planet. Rooftop solar farms, vertical gardens, and air-purifying facades will become the new standard of construction. In these cities, waste will be recycled at the molecular level, and excess carbon will be captured and reused as building material. The air will be visibly cleaner, skies clearer, and the temperature more balanced thanks to green infrastructure. Collaboration between architects, environmental scientists, and AI engineers will be the key to making this vision real. By the end of this century, we could live in cities that not only coexist with nature, but actively enhance it. Imagine standing atop a skyscraper that generates its own clean air, powers itself with renewable energy, and provides a habitat for wildlife, a symbol of humanity's evolution from destroyer to protector of the earth. Thanks for watching. The skyscrapers of the future aren't just architectural marvels. They're our best hope for cleaner air, greener cities, and a healthier planet. As technology and nature merge, our skylines will become symbols of renewal and sustainability. If you enjoyed exploring the future of eco-cities, give this video a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the innovations shaping our world.